Hey, it's Chris. Today I've got a quick review for you. This time is the Otterbox 30W fast charge set for iPhone. This is from the Gold Stripe series, which is positioned as a premium tier in Otterbox lineup, although interestingly, the stripe on the box is silver. Go figure. Let's start with the wall plug. One thing I immediately appreciate, no plastic packaging. That's always a good move. The build quality feels solid and it delivers 30W over USB-C, which is enough for fast charging an iPhone or even powering an iPod. It's a bit on the thicker side, not a super compact design. Size-wise, it's comparable to Apple's 20W charger, but here we are getting a bit more power, so that's fair. Still, I actually own a slimmer charger with even better specs, but more on that in a future video. Now let's check out the cable. The box is a bit tough to open, but again, no plastic inside, which I always respect. The cable itself is braided and quite stiff, which gives it a sturdy, durable feel. Definitely better than the basic rubber ones. It also includes a cable tie, which should be a nice bonus, but this one is very long and extremely stiff, making it really hard to use. Honestly, it requires more effort than it should. That's a small design flaw for such a premium feel product. Overall, this is a high-quality charging solution from Otterbox. Great materials, thoughtful packaging, but some small usability issues, like the bulky charger size and the impractical cable holder. If you're looking for durability and brand reliability, it's a solid choice, but not necessarily the most compact or user-friendly option out there. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite charging setup. If you found this mini review helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. I post honest, independent reviews and DIY content every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.